Welcome back to Bake with Mom. Today we're making ice cream. This is so simple to make. First we'll add in 2 cups of heavy cream. Make sure it's nice and cold. All of it.
Yep, get it all in, Brad. Tip it all the way upside down so it can all go in. Don't shake. Good job.
We'll add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, look at that. It's melting in. We'll add in a dash of sea salt.
Good job. You're getting it.
We'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay, good.
That's gonna be extra vanilla-y. We can split this up into medium peaks.
You can tell if you have medium peaks by lifting your beater and looking at the peak that forms on the end. A medium peak will hold its shape fairly well, with the tip curling over slightly.
Now that our ice cream is at medium peaks, we're gonna drizzle on our topping. Wheat shells, caramel, peanut butter, and chocolate. Between these three, we're gonna give it a gentle swirl.
Brad, go ahead and pour in some peanut butter. Pour it all over, Brad.
Sorry. Oh
my goodness. Was not expecting that. We're gonna pour this into a blender. Let's make the top a little more pretty. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy. Push this for at least 6 hours. That's it. No churn ice cream. Yum. Time to eat some. No, Brad! No more licking.
Our ice cream has been in the freezer for 6 hours. It's time to scoop it into a bowl. Whoa, it's frozen. Now I know why I'm scooping it. Because it's really heavy. And Pam needs to eat all of it. That is the best ice cream I've had in my life. It's cold. Thanks for watching Bake with Mom.